Briefly introduce the video topic, DIY Brazilian waxing with common household items. Emphasize that this is for entertainment purposes and not professional advice. Mention that viewers should consult a professional for proper waxing services. List the essential household items needed for the DIY wax: sugar, lemon juice, water. Show the process of preparing the wax mixture, melting, stirring, and testing the consistency. Provide tips for choosing the right sugar and ensuring proper consistency. Demonstrate the application technique with the homemade wax on a small area, e.g., leg. Explain the importance of applying the wax in the direction of hair growth and removing it in the opposite direction. Show how to use a cloth strip or a popsicle stick to remove the wax. Discuss the importance of post-wax care, such as applying a soothing lotion or cold compress. Mention potential side effects and how to prevent them, e.g., irritation, ingrown hairs. Offer advice on how to maintain smooth skin and prevent regrowth, e.g., exfoliating, moisturizing. Summarize the video's main points and reiterate the importance of safety and professional advice. Encourage viewers to share their experience in the comments and subscribe for more DIY beauty content. Briefly promote any related content on the channel.